guys, my name is Faisal and I'm currently pursuing my course in ITLH.
Okay, so Faisal, my first question would be, how has your experience been so far with ITLH?
So when I first heard about ITLH, it was providing me with a live concept and live projects. So that was quite interesting to work on. So I decided to get to ITLH and studying framework from a sir. Framework is quite a new thing in the technology and PhD field. So like not more of the institute are providing those concepts. So ITLH was a good opportunity for me to learn the frameworks.
Okay. The second question, Faisal, would be, how important do you think coding is required for an engineering student, and how is ITLH helping them?
So even Bill Gates and Steve Jobs have told that without coding you can't do anything. You have to code. So I guess this tells all. Even those guys are telling this that we have to code. And ITLH basically gives us a I've been in the college, I've been in the diploma, I've been in degree. So what they do, like they explain the concept, they explain the theory, but they do not explain how the code works actually. Like they will give you the code and will tell to run it. But here, sir actually runs the code and will show us that this is the flow of the code. The code is playing in this way. So ITLH has introduced this thing, which is quite innovative.
Okay. How approachable are the teachers and the trainers?
So I must say the teacher is very approachable. I guess the tolerance level is too high of sir. Really, I must say, and the knowledge is also very good. And sir is really working great for ITLH.
Okay. If you see, like for example, yeah, there are a lot of different classes outside, okay, who teach coding and all of that. How do you think ITLH is different from that?
I guess the only thing I must not say only thing that there are more of things, but the only thing that makes it different is the live project which they have given. Basically, they provide us with the environment of a company. Like I have been sending wireframes to the company, and they have responded to me in a way that I have studied. I have come to it how and in which way they want us to do the job.
Okay, Faisal, last two questions. The question is, how do you think ITLH will help you in the longer go?
First of all, ITLH is providing placements. That's a very good thing. And since ITLH is teaching us not only the core languages from the basic as well as the advanced languages which are required in the outside environment, so it will be helping us in a better way for the future, for the web development, I guess. And I guess after doing all this course, I can pursue the advanced course of this as well in the future by using this basic needs which is taught by ITLH.
Okay. One last thing which you would like to inculcate in ITLH. Your feedback.
Yep. Feedback is ITLH is very good, but I would like to inculcate that we should divide the guys into their level of thinking, I guess, because not all the guys are all of same branch. So it is very difficult for us to run the lecture in a similar pace, because the doubts that they produce are quite different from the other guys, because they are not from the IT field. So the batches should be different. The IT guys should be kept in another branch, and the other guys should be in a separate branch.
Okay, thank you so much.